You want to park between two cars on the spot A. We start with the initial position before parking. The driver passes over parking space C and stops. Lateral interval to the car parked at the spot B must be at least 3 to 4 feet, but the farther away you are, the easier it will be to park. In this case, you must also have at least 3 to 4 feet of free space on the left side, because when you start reversing, the front part of your car shifts to the left side. When parking in a bay, we take the last line of parking space C as a reference point. The driver starts to move and drives in a straight line. When he sees this line in the middle of his front window, he turns the steering wheel as far as it goes in the direction of the parking space. If you do it correctly and at the right moment, your car will turn to the center of the parking space A. Once you end up parallel to the lines, turn the steering wheel in the straightforward position. Then you just drive deeper into the parking space and stop. Parking in a bay is considered easier than parallel parking, but there are certain nuances that need to be taken into account. By positioning your car properly, that is, parallel to the marked lines, you will complete parking without any problems. But if for some reason you fail to do this, the car will end up in the corner of a parking space. Let's discuss the last stage of the parking process, that is, when you're going to align your car with the marking lines. Let's see how to do it the easiest way. Parking spaces across from your parking space are in the same line with the ones on your side. You can align your car with the lines by using, for reference, the lines across from you. If there are no lines marked across from you, you can align your car with the marking lines using side mirrors. Direct your side mirrors downward so you can see the lines in order to align your car with them.